What does a monkey say? What does the lion say? Very good. What does a bird say? Tweet, tweet, that's right. What does a frog say? Ribbit, that's right. What does a fish say? Lub, lub, that's right. What does a dog say? Very good. What does a kitty cat say?
Kind of.
How about, what else is there? What does the rooster say? What does the rooster say? That's pretty good. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Very good. What else? What other words are we missing?
Pig.
Pig? What does a pig say? Yeah. What about a horse? Nay. What about duck? Quack, quack. Very good. What does Walk Old Joe say? Very good.
What does Lila say?
What does Garvey say? What does Garvey say? What does he say?
What does Daddy say?
What does Mommy say? What does Garvey say? Where's Garvey?